Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I am all about creating multiple streams of income. And there is an opportunity out there that will allow you to create up to 10 income streams. And what I'm talking about is Nexus Rewards. In my opinion, Nexus Rewards is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. It's super easy to get started with, and the earning potential is crazy. So I'm about to let one of the owners of Nexus Rewards explain how you can earn 10 different ways as a Nexus Rewards Premium member. I mean, think about that. 10 different ways from one opportunity. It don't get no better than that. So check out the rest of this video, and once you get done, I'm sure you are going to be ready to jump on the Nexus Rewards team. And all you got to do that, click that first link in the description, get all signed up, and I will personally reach out to you and help you get going. All right, see you on the team.
Okay, which leads us to unique selling point, USP number 4, okay, the compensation plan. And this thing is really terrific. We pay you 10 different ways with Nexus, okay? It's built for speed. It's built to get you into profit quickly, okay? We leverage geometric growth and maximize your earning potential with the 10 different ways. And it's really built for that long-term success, the long-term residuals, something that could go on really for decades to come. So let's take a closer look at it. As I said, we earn 10 different ways. The first way is we showed you this, cash back on the apps and services, okay? Savings, discounts, and cash back. That puts more money in your bank account, whether it's hundreds of dollars a year or whether it's thousands of dollars a year. It's just free old money, okay? I was looking at my free app cashback services earlier today, and I just added them up because somebody asked, well, how much do you really make with that? I said, well, listen, I'm not going to make $1 million with it, but I made $2,904.51 so far in cash back. That's free money, okay? Because we're earning cash back on the apps and services that we have. Actually, that's not. Those are the referral bonuses that I made. I got to add the 822, the 500 that I made. That's in my bank account for my Verizon bill, and on and on and on. So we're probably up to like $5,000 back from that. We earn, as we said, $34 on free members. Okay, that's a great thing. No other company has. But on our premium members, you actually earn $10 a month. Okay, anyone you refer becomes a premium member, pays $21.95. You make $10. So obviously, you make 3, you're earning more than $21.95, which means you're in profit. Which means we don't charge your card anymore. That's why I say a lot of our members only pay once to join Nexus. The rest of the time, they're in profit. Their card isn't getting charged every month. That's a wonderful thing. So you want to get at least 3 referrals as quickly as possible. Aside from paying $10 a month on your personal referrals, we pay 10 levels of referral commissions, meaning everyone you refer is level 1. Everyone they refer, that's level 2. We're going to pay you on that. As those level 2 people refer people, that's level 3. Pay you on that. As the level 3 people refer others, goes to 4 and 5. Now, a 10-level plan, you throw any kind of geometric growth at a 10-level plan, and there's a fortune to be made. The years Rob and I, we had some great years in this industry. We had years we earned over $1 million. Every time we did that, it was with a plan that paid 10 levels. So we know the power of a 10-level referral program. It's amazing, really, what can happen with that. We have leadership infinity commissions that pay beyond 10 levels. Okay, now, most companies, in order to reach those positions, you literally need to have hundreds of people in your downline, maybe thousands, that you can start earning beyond the 10 levels. With Nexus, you can reach our first leadership level. It's called Pro 25, when you have as little as 25 people in your entire network. You could refer them all yourself, but you could bring in a few, who bring in a few, who bring in a few. 25 people, not too hard. and you're earning infinity commissions, meaning you're beyond the 10 levels. That's pretty cool. We have a $5 coded infinity program that's unlike anything. It's so unique, it's been copyrighted. But what this will do is will allow you to earn beyond, not only beyond 10 levels or 20 levels, you could literally be earning dozens and dozens of levels deep into your network and getting $5 paid up to you from dozens of members, even hundreds of members in your organization, shooting $5 up to you because they got coded to you. It's a unique program. I can't really get into the details here. It's a little hard to explain, but we have that explanation for you on our websites and in our members areas and where you can see that. Trust me, it's really, really good. Our members love this. So we have a loyalty bonus matrix where we literally pay people just for being active. Okay. Once you're active for 6 months, you qualify to receive on this bonus matrix payments. And we even have 100% check match, meaning if you refer some people, whatever they make in the matrix, you're going to make. So if they make $10, you make $10. If they make $100, you make $100. If they make $1,000, you make an additional $1,000 on top of your bonus matrix payments. Okay, phenomenal. We're not done. You can also earn money overrides on fundraising organizations. We launched a new division about a month ago, a completely new division, completely separate from this peer-to-peer networking thing that we're talking about right now. But it's a way that organizations and nonprofits can sign up with us and for free, and then they'll get a special website and a special link that they can share with their supporters. Okay, and as their supporters enroll, they pay the $21.95. They're going to get all the benefits where they can save hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. But $10 of their membership every month goes to the fundraising organization. Okay, so if they have 100 supporters times 10, that'd be $1,000. They have 1,000 supporters times 10, that would be $10,000 to the organization. If they have 10,000 supporters times 10, that'd be $100,000 a month going there. Now, what you'll make is you're going to make $1 override on every supporter. On every supporter, you get $1 override on that. So that could be huge. I mean, one organization could bring you in hundreds, even thousands of people, supporters to them, but you'll earn the overrides on it because you introduced it to the fundraiser. We have a whole marketing suite of tools to help you do that.